Now that we have created our payment method, let's create an advert. Hit the create button. Now we choose our campaign objective. If your objective is to create an awareness, then you go ahead and click on awareness. If it is for you to create traffic, to drive traffic, you can go ahead and click on traffic. If it is engagement, you want them to message you directly through your messaging app, WhatsApp, Messenger, all that, you can click on engagement. And if it is for leads, you want to collect their information, you can go ahead and hit on leads. If it is for app installment or app event, you can go ahead and do that. And if it is for sales, you are into the e-commerce industry, you can hit on sales. So let us create an advert for engagement. We hit on engagement and we click on continue. So the first thing to do here is you have to name your campaign. After you successfully name your campaign, the following options right here is the category. If you are outside the country, you are in UK, US or any country, and you are running advert for job offer, internship, for professional certificate, you can go ahead and hit on this. For housing, for political stuff, you can go ahead and hit on this. But because we are not creating anything related to that, I will leave this on tick. Now the next on our agenda is campaign objective. Our campaign objective, it is engagement. So that is that about that. If you want to compare two adverts together, you have two different kind of adverts and you want to compare one to the other, you can go ahead and take this. And for advantage campaign budget, you can go ahead and on this, and you can set your budget daily and lifetime. So let's set as daily. We set 1,000 naira as daily, then we hit on next. Now we are at our add new engagement. This is where we set our art name, our advert engagement. So now we have this. So it's conversion location. Choose where you want to drive engagement. I said messaging app, and if it is website that you want or Facebook page, you can go ahead and hit on that. So after you have successfully done that, another thing that you do is that the ad type. Choose the type of ad you want to run. Add click message to, so we leave this ad like this. So after that, we choose a page that we want to use to run the advert. I'm running it with my Facebook page, AdWap Media. Then choose at least one destination where you're available to chat. You select multiple apps to reach more people. I can actually tick on this and tick on my WhatsApp. So you just go ahead and set the budget and set the date of the advert. Say on the 25th of September. We hit on end date. Click on this and choose the day the advert is going to end. Choose the time. Now that we have done this, we'll choose the location by clicking on edit. So you can go ahead and add your location right here. People living in or recently in this location. So you can go ahead and choose your location. In my case, I'll just choose Lagos. I'll choose Abuja. I'll choose Rivers and choose a country. So now that we have that right here, we can scroll down on the audience section. Now we choose the age range. I'll go with 18 and 50. So I'll choose all gender. So you can choose based on interest. You will just go ahead here and type whatever you want to achieve. And here is placement. There are two types of placement. There are advantage plus placement. Facebook recommend for you, and we have the other one, manual. The advantage placement is done by Facebook. You just choose a random one that you want and they will choose for you. Meanwhile, you can choose by yourself. All you just want to do is just untick this and tick on manual placement. If you tick on manual placement, you'll be given an option, and you have the devices where your advert will show. Now Facebook platform, the audience network, Instagram, Messenger. Now we have that. We have where our placement is. We have the feed, we have stories, we have in-stream ads, we have search ads and app. So that is that about that. And we can leave all this ticked so that our advert can reach more audience and can be broad. So after we have done this, we'll just hit on next. So now it's time to set our advert. So now you can hit on either create ads or use existing post. So if you have a post that you have uploaded earlier on, you can go ahead and use that. So that is that about that. In my case, I'll just click on create a new ad. Now we have different kind of adverts. We have singles image, we have single image and videos, one image or video, or a slide with multiple images. We have carousels, two or more scrollable images or videos, and we have multi advertiser. So I'll just click on single and I'll move forward. Now it's telling me to add media. Now I'll just click on add media. I'll click on add image, and if it's video that you have, just go ahead and add video. Now we have our options from Instagram and from Facebook, from my page as well. Now we just hit on the click all, and I just go ahead and choose this, and I click on next. So now it will preview and show me the way my advert is going to appear all around. It's going to appear in newsfeed and streams like this. It's going to appear in stories like this, and it's going to appear in search like this. I'll just hit on next. So after we have all this, we just go ahead and click on done. Here we have our primary text. You can go ahead and put a primary text here. Now we have our text here, leveraging the world of social media marketing. Now the headline is chat with us, and the call to action is send message now, or I just click on contact us or whatever call to action that you want to use here, but I can just leave it at send message now. Here you can preview, edit. You click on edit. Here you can preview when they send you message on messenger. Can I learn more about you? Just add your response here and you click on save and finish. After you have done this, you can go ahead and do this for WhatsApp as well, also for Instagram. So that is that about that. So now that it's done, you just scroll down. Is there any other thing that you would like to touch? I don't think so. So you just go ahead and click on publish.